It's a sunny January day, and I'm back in the allotment taking advantage of some decent weather and just to get some odd jobs done. I'll just start off saying that I forgot my microphone today, so I hope the sound isn't too bad on this one. With that out of the way, we had a few weeks with quite wintry weather, with some snow and freezing temperatures. Try not to do any work, or just not to be here when it's snow on the ground, because as long as the snow is untouched and not compacted, it actually acts as an insulator, so yeah, it doesn't get too frozen here. It thaws up earlier if you leave it be. I intend to just get some cleaning up, tidying up today. I've done some before a few weeks ago. Took advantage of the ground being frozen. Cut down the wild rose behind the box here, because it got in the way. Couldn't even open the box with my new fancy lid on it, because the branches were getting in the way. Good time to do something like that when the ground's frozen. It doesn't matter too much if I accidentally step in the beds. So today I intend to just clean up what's left of the brassicas. Well, the sprouts are still going, and but yeah, this has to go. And the corn stalks, better get this out of the way before the ground's ready to work, because as soon as the ground's friable, the soil's friable, I won't have time for much of tidying. So I think that'll be quite a few weeks in the future. The next big job is probably going to be cutting down the willows. I don't expect to do that until mid-March perhaps, see, depending on the weather. So just a quick job here, just taking a look, see that everything's okay, and get some sunshine. It's interesting to see what actually makes it through the winter. Here I have some plain leaf parsley, usually quite winter hardy, and I put it under 2 layers of fleece. This has been no fleece. The parsley under the fleece looks okay. Could probably, if you were just careful, pick out something quite edible. But if you look here, this is self-sown parsley. That looks pretty good to me. And it's been under snow and, well, at least 6 or 7 degrees Celsius below freezing. And it looks very fresh, very nice. And even some lettuce, which I would not have expected to survive. There's also self-sown black-seeded Simpson. Well, it's quite bitter. Still, it survives. I had pretty much given up my cabbages. It's a bit sad, but never got around to harvesting them. Well, I just wanted to see what they looked like if you carved away the brown leaves and mess. But it actually looks like this one looks pretty good. It's frozen, but I think that will thaw up pretty well, and perhaps we can use that. And but my wife, the primary reason we grew these was because my wife wanted to try making some sauerkraut, and I think they might just work for that. So take them home, see what they're like when they thaw up, and we'll give it a try. As you might have noticed, I don't dig the ground over in autumn. I used to do that, but find that after working this plot for about 10 years, I don't need to anymore. And I don't really like leaving the ground bare for so many months a year. So it gives me a bit more work to do in spring, but yeah, not too much. The soil's in good condition. It's pretty loose. I don't have a no-dig philosophy or anything, but I try to keep. I don't ever step on the ground, never in the beds. I just turn them over with my forked hoe a few weeks before I need them. If there's something bigger, I sort that out. Just pick that out by hand. But it's don't have a big annual weed problem or a perennial weed problem. I only dig the ground. Actually, dig it with a fork when I plant root crops, potatoes and artichokes and carrots. I actually do double digging with my carrots, but otherwise I try to disturb the soil as little as possible, and yeah, leave the weeds as a cover crop over winter. Most of them are annuals and die down during winter anyway, and the other ones are yeah, quite easily dealt with in the spring. So yeah, sort of looks like a mess. It doesn't look very tidy over winter, but yeah, it sort of works for me until I try something else at least. Well, that's about it for today, I guess. I'll go home and order some seeds now. I've taken stock of what seeds I have left from last year and what seeds I have saved, so just to order what's left. I've usually got some onions going in my balcony at this time, but last year it was a very cold March, so yeah, it wasn't easy keeping the balcony hot enough or warm enough for the onions. I didn't want to take them indoors either, so just postpone it a bit. I'm pretty sure it'll work out anyway. Well, just a matter of picking some of the sprouts that's left and go home and have some lunch. Bye for now. See you in the next one.